Princess Sofia woke up early in Enchancia. When she touched her enchanted amulet, the gem felt icy and stiff. She held the necklace up to the light. A thin sheet of frost covered the purple stone, and tiny snowflakes floated inside. Sofia tried to summon her animal friends, but no friendly voices answered. The amulet stayed cold and silent. Worried, she hurried to Cedric, the royal sorcerer. Cedric mumbled 5 spells, but each one only made the frost grow thicker. Princess Amber suggested they ask someone who truly understands ice magic. Write to Queen Elsa of Arendelle, she said. Sofia sent a snow owl with a letter. The brave bird flapped across mountains and found Elsa in her ice palace. Elsa read the message and felt a tug in her heart. She sensed ancient magic calling for help. She packed warm cloaks, waved to Anna, and formed an ice bridge toward Enchancia. Olaf waddled beside her, humming a winter tune. When Elsa reached the castle, Sofia ran to greet her. The frozen amulet sparkled like a star between them. Elsa closed her eyes and listened to the chill inside the gem. "This ice is older than my own," she whispered. She spoke of a forgotten place called Frostvale, a hidden ice kingdom lost many centuries ago. The amulet's crystal was born there. To save the necklace, they had to visit the ruins of Frostvale in the misty mountains. Sofia agreed without fear. The next morning, Elsa shaped a glistening sleigh. Sofia, Elsa, and Olaf climbed in, and the sleigh slid over sparkling snow. Halfway up the mountain, a fierce blizzard roared. Snow wolves with glowing blue eyes circled the path. Elsa raised an ice shield to protect them. Sofia sang a gentle lullaby, and the wolves' growls softened. One wolf stepped forward and brushed its nose against Sofia's boot. It trotted away, leaving a narrow, hidden trail. Following the secret route, they reached a giant crystal gate buried in snowdrifts. Sofia's amulet glowed bright and warm. The frost on the gate melted, and huge doors creaked open. Inside lay silent towers and frozen gardens. A silver sparkle darted among the icicles. A tiny frost sprite named Leora appeared and bowed. Leora explained that Sofia's amulet was cut from Frostvale's Heartstone. Without the Heartstone, the kingdom fell asleep. An Ice Wraith had stolen the stone long ago, seeking endless power. The theft froze the kingdom and the amulet together. Elsa promised to reclaim the Heartstone. Leora led them into a maze of ice mirrors that shimmered like moonlight. At the maze's center, the Ice Wraith rose like a living blizzard. Its voice howled through the frozen air. Elsa stood firm, but Sofia stepped forward first. "You must be lonely," she said softly. The Wraith's storm slowed. It had taken the Heartstone because it feared being forgotten in the cold silence. Elsa opened her hand and created a single delicate snowflake that danced between them. "There is beauty in sharing," she said. The Wraith gazed at the snowflake and trembled. At last, it returned the glowing Heartstone to Sofia. Together they carried the gem to Frostvale's frozen fountain. When the Heartstone touched the water, light burst across the realm. Ice flowers bloomed, bells rang, and warm mist rose from the streets. Frostvale awakened, shining with gentle life. The frost on Sofia's amulet melted away. The purple crystal shone brighter than ever and hummed with happy magic. Leora hugged them both and promised that Frostvale would stay open to kind visitors. Sofia and Elsa smiled. They climbed back onto the sleigh and raced down the mountain. The snow wolves howled a friendly farewell.